are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my March Ipsy Glam bag. So this is the regular bag, the $12 subscription. So in today's video we are going to do an unboxing, and there will be some try-on portions as well. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I pretty much got all three of my Ipsy subscriptions at the same time. So if you do not know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. They have 3 different tiers now. So the one we're opening today is the most affordable. It is $12 and you get 5 items and a bag. And then there's the Ipsy Plus, which is $25 and you get 5 full-size items. So in the bag we're opening today, not everything is full-size. You do oftentimes get full-size products in it. So I honestly think like this Ipsy Glam bag is the one I would keep if I had to only keep one, because it's always worth it. Sometimes the others aren't, I don't know, we'll have to see. Stay tuned for those videos, not sure how I will be posting these. But then there's the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50, and I think you get like 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe size, so you get 12 items. And yeah, so when I was looking at all of my Ipsys, I realized I could do pretty much a full face of makeup. So before right now, I just film myself doing my makeup. It's probably going to be an editing nightmare, but I was able to try most of the items in my bag. I tried the makeup for all of the subscriptions, but not like the skincare, but you will see. So I will be adding in clips. So point being, there will be an unboxing, and then the try-on portion will be like incorporated throughout the video, and then I will do a review of the February Ipsy Glam bag at the end of the video. I will leave timestamps down below for all of these. I will also link down below a giveaway I have going on that is in my Boxy Luxe video I posted just last night, I believe, or the night before. I'm recording this right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, that will be linked down below if you have not yet entered. Definitely check it out. I will also link down below Ipsy if you're interested in subscribing. This is what the bag looks like, and let's get it open. So there was one item that came outside of the bag. So each of the subscriptions with Ipsy has a bag, and this is obviously the one for the Ipsy Glam bag. I like the color. It's like this greenish color. Would you say teal? I don't know, but it's like studded and like a lime green zipper. It says Ipsy on the back, 100th Ipsy Glam bag. Oh wow, it's their 100th Ipsy Glam bag. I didn't even know that. And then there'll be some stuff inside and a card, and in my experience the cards don't always have information inside, but it looks like it says Celebrate You March 2020. This is your invitation to a celebration of our 100th Glam bag and you. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going. To get the party started, we added a bonus product as a thank you for being along for the ride. Open up your 6 glam bag picks valued at $50 or more and cue the confetti. It's time to have some fun. Awesome. I honestly didn't even realize there were 6. I didn't like look at everything. Well, I kind of did because I did my makeup already, but I didn't even notice that we got more. And there is information on the inside. It tells you a little bit about it, tips, and what the full size would be. So how about we start with the item that was on the outside of the bag. I did not try this today. You know, I never really thought about this. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me show you first. We have a brush here, and this is by Complex Culture. And I actually really like their brushes. I have at least one now. The one I use the most that I use to contour. I think these look so sleek and nice. But what I was about to say earlier, I never thought about this before. I would usually just like use my brushes right away, like right as I unbox them. And then I think I was watching Just Anne's video, and she said she always cleans her brushes before using them. I'm like, how did I not even think about that? Like, I kind of like to clean everything first before I use them, like when I clothes and stuff. So that's why I didn't use it today, because I will clean this brush before I use it. But it looks like this is a shader brush. Yeah, it says Precision Eyelid. I'm really excited to get more of their brushes. I mean, I have a million brushes, like so many. I actually cleaned some last night. I'm trying to like stay on top of it so they don't pile up like last time. Oh my god. But this is full size. Obviously a brush is full size, or I guess you could get like the mini ones, but this is $18. So this brush alone is more than the cost of the bag. Again, I paid $12. So I'll have to let you guys know in my review for April at the end of that video how this works. Oh wow, I wasn't gonna read the description, you guys, because like it's an eyeshadow brush, but it says that the brush handle is 100% biodegradable. Now I like this company even more. Awesome. And it looks so cool. I would never think that. Next, let's talk about the items I was not able to test in today's video. One being because it is for your hair and the other for skincare. And like skincare first impressions don't really mean anything. You definitely need like time to use it, like a month before you know if it works or not. But we have a moisturizer here by Hey Honey. It's the Relaxed Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer. It's supposed to calm redness and upset skin. I get redness like very easily. I wouldn't say my skin's like upset. I think it's mostly because I'm so fair. So I'm excited to try this. What does it say on the back? So it's cruelty-free, SLS-free, paraben-free. It says a deeply restorative, botanically based formula designed to hydrate, repair, and comfort unbalanced and upset skin. And we get 15 milliliters here. The full size is 70 milliliters and is $42. So let me just put a little bit on my hand. I want to see how it feels. So there's a safety seal, good. So they say this is lightweight and good for sensitive skin. So let's put a little bit there. Let's rub it in. It doesn't have much of a scent, which is good. I'm gonna try and stay away from fragrance products in the future if I can. But yeah, I'm excited to use this. It says it's good for acne too, so I definitely have that. So I will put this to the test and I will review that for you guys next month. Next up, the hair mask I mentioned, this is by Foxy Bay. I don't think I've had anything for this company before, tried anything. It's the Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask with biotin. It's sulfate and paraben free. We get 1 fluid ounce. There's the back. Don't hate hydrate. Yeah, it says that again. So you use it says open the tube, work into wet hair, and rinse out after 10 or more minutes. So I like to do hair masks when I like shave my legs. I actually do hair masks every time I wash my hair because I don't wash my hair very often. So I like to have like a deep conditioning mask. But like 10 minutes is a long time just to sit around. So like if you're shaving your legs, I mean, it might not take that long. Definitely doesn't for me, but that's what I do when I do hair masks, if you wanted to know. So the full size would be 120 ml. And again, we got about 30 or 1 fluid ounce, and that would be $28.95. It says healthy hair coming right up. This hair mask is your go-to to heal dry, damaged strands. It's supposed to detangle and smooth. Oh, cool, and it even shields your hair from UV rays. So there isn't a safety seal, but that doesn't bother me as much on products that are for my hair. And I just don't know why I put it on my hand, but I just want to see there's a scent. There's a light scent, but nothing crazy. Right, and now let's move on to the last 3 items. These, I will have clips of me using them. So I will start off with the item I selected. So I failed to mention this in the beginning of the video. For each of the Ipsy subscriptions, you get to customize 1 item, which I think is great. So I try and let you guys know when customization opens for boxes, but there usually is a decent amount for Ipsy that you get to choose from, it seems like at least 5 items, so that's cool. And whenever there's a foundation option, I always choose it, or a complexion. And I've actually tried this foundation before and I really enjoyed it and I was out. So this is the Yensa Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation. It's BB plus CC plus full coverage foundation, 8 super black essence, and it has SPF 40. So I actually had this before, like I said, and they look a little different, and I swatched this so you guys could see. It looks like the newer version is actually like maybe a little bit lighter, but I think it's a great shade match. Let me look at my skin now. It's probably been about an hour since I applied it, and I honestly love this stuff. It's great shade match, and it doesn't leave my skin looking cakey. I've realized a lot of foundations lately have been doing that. I love that there's SPF in it. I can't remember if I said this yet. We get 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. And in the full size, you would get 32 milliliters, and that would be $38. And honestly, I'm gonna see how this wears today. I've used it before and I liked it, but I don't think I really paid attention closely to the wear time because I might have to purchase this. I was super excited to see it as an option. Oh, and fun fact, this was created from Power Rangers villainess Jennifer Yen. I forgot about that. I think I must have gotten this foundation sample a while ago in a different subscription and I heard that. So Yensa Beauty, that's by, I think the Pink Ranger. No, is she the Yellow Ranger or the Pink Ranger? Someone's gotta know. Let me know. So I don't think it is full coverage. I would say it's more like medium coverage, but I do really like it. And yeah, I'm excited to keep trying it. So next is an item I was really excited to get. It's by Wander Beauty. I've really fallen in love with Wander Beauty through subscription boxes. And this is a bronzer. So it's the Wander Beauty Trip to Costa Rey And on the back it says it's formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and Wander Beauty is cruelty free. So this is what it looks like. I swatched it earlier and at first I thought it looked like too warm possibly, but I actually really like it, and this may potentially be like my new go-to bronzer. So this is a sample, but I swear this like will last forever. The full-size version is 4 grams. Let's see, how much is in this? This is 2.8 grams, so it's not even that much smaller, but the 4-gram product is $36. And it says, this powder bronzer gives you a gorgeous just from the beach glow so you won't miss a thing. It's made with antioxidant-rich sunflower seed oil to protect from environmental damage, plus moisturizing plant extracts to hydrate and smooth your skin. It says, tip, this light brown powder has a shimmer-free finish that can be used all over. It blended out so well. I always use a powder brush after I apply my bronzer just to make sure there's no like harsh lines or anything, but I'm super excited about this and I can't wait to keep using it. And the last item I loved too. So this is by a company I don't think I've tried before. If I have, I don't remember. But it's Lottie London Shimmer Squad, the Good Girl Powder Highlight. And this is just a pan. It doesn't come like in a compact. I do have some Z palettes, so I will put it in there. But I'm like not used to like falling in love with highlights, but I just love how it looks. It's like the perfect shade match for me. A lot like are too gold or I don't know, too glittery. I just feel like this one looks more natural than other highlights. Like clearly I'm wearing some highlight, but I just really like it and I'm excited to try it. And this looks full size. I wonder if it is. No, it says it's not. So here it is. So in this we get 4 grams and that is 0.14 ounces and the full size is 0.59 ounces and is $10.99, which that's not a bad price. And it says you'll find your best light every time with a champagne hued highlight. The ultra blendable powder easily builds to create a natural sheen, full on strobe, and anything in between. No filter necessary. And the tip they put in here is skip your T-zone, which is the middle of your cheeks, forehead, and chin where skin gets oily and shiny. Yeah, I always like to put highlight on the high points of my face, so like my cheek bones and stuff. Sometimes I'll put a little bit above my eyebrows or a little bit on the tip of my nose or on my Cupid's bow. But yeah, I can't believe this isn't full size. It looks like it. I've never panned a highlight before, so yeah, so I think this was a great Ipsy. I didn't even realize there were 6 items, but I honestly, I mean, so I tried half of the items so far and I'm very happy with them and I feel like I totally got my money's worth. I like how all of the products performed. Again, I will keep you guys updated and review these products after using them for the next month. So first impressions, I really like the makeup. And yeah, let's get into the review for the February bag. So in case you missed the video and you want to see like what my first impressions were like, I will link the February Glam bag unboxing down below. But we got 5 items. I kind of just like wrote little notes here. I have most of them in front of me, I believe. So I will start with the one item I am sorry to say I did not review. I actually just cleaned it last night. Or did I use it in that video? I don't know yet, but I cleaned it when I washed my brushes. This is by the Beauty Crop. It is their powder brush. So it's a little wet still because I just cleaned it. It looks like there might be product on it. Did I use this once? I don't know, but if I did, I obviously don't remember, so I can't give a review on it. But I am excited to try it out. It's bright and fun. So yeah, I just have so many brushes and it was in my to clean pile and I just got to it last night, not even thinking I had to review it. So sorry, this is the one item I cannot review, but I thought that was great that we did get a full size item, a brush and powder brushes. I could always use more of. Well, I really don't need more, but I could always use more brushes because less cleaning, right? Next up, I received a single shadow by Viseart. So it came in here. Viseart's really expensive and I've never tried any of their palettes before. Their palettes are seriously $80. So we got a champagne color and I've been using this just once in a while for like inner corner highlight. So I'll just like leave it on my vanity and when there's a palette that doesn't have one or doesn't have one that I think goes well with the look, I'll use this. I probably only used it a handful of times. I kind of wish we got more than, or a different shade, because I feel like any kind of like champagne color like this usually works okay in the inner corner, you know? I would have loved to try like their mattes. I don't really even know like what they're known for, but I was definitely excited to try this. I'll still use it for the reasons I said before, but yeah. that's all I think I have to say about that one. Next up is a hand cream. Okay, I'm kind of sick of getting hand creams. I must say I do love this. I actually had to go grab it out of my purse for this video. This is the Mercy Handy Hand Cream, and the scent is Hello Sunshine. It is a very uplifting scent. I've been enjoying it. I was already a frequent hand washer, but now I do even more so because obvious reasons. And I have to moisturize my hands after I wash them. Like, I just have to. I can't handle dry skin, dry hands especially. So this has been in my purse. I've been using it. Works fine. I actually went into my Ipsy beauty profile and updated it for another reason too I'll get to. And I was like, why do I get so many freaking hand creams? It said just sometimes, I feel like every month I get a hand cream. This one I am happy to have, but like I don't need any more. I'm okay for a while now because this is a big size. I think they said it wasn't full size, but it's a full ounce. And yeah, I really like it. This is probably the one I use the most frequent because it's in my bag, so like probably every day I use this. And there's still a lot left too. I need to take a sniff, it's so good. The next item I also had to grab from my purse, and I've been loving it, and this is another full-size item we received in our $12 bag. This is the Half Caked Super Glaze Lip Gloss in Slight Work. I love this lip gloss. It's great on its own. It's great over lip glosses. It's like a peachy nude. It's not sticky. Oops, I put it right in that glitter. I just did the worst swatch humanly possible. Well, maybe not, but bad. So yeah, it has pigment. So like I said, you could wear it like over a liner or a liquid lip or on its own. I often would just wear it alone because like I said, I keep it in my purse. And usually I have lipstick when I leave the house. But you know when you like eat or drink, you need to like reapply something. I love this because it's comfortable and it's pretty color and easy to use. It smells good too. It's like fruity smell. So yeah, love this. And then the last item we got, this is the item I chose for February, and it's the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. Like I said, I always have to choose a foundation, or I always want to choose a foundation if I have the option. This was a little too dark for me, so this is supposed to be a foundation and a concealer, and I got it in LG6. I believe this is the foundation Pure has that has 100 shades. That's crazy. So I went into my beauty profile, like I said, and I changed my complexion. I said I was light skinned, but I am definitely fair, and like the Yensa foundation or the BB cream, whatever you would call it, that I received in this month's bag actually matched me perfectly, and it was based on the light. But this one's a little too dark, so I've been mixing it, and I do like it. I would really like to try it in the correct shade so I don't have to mix it, so I can really see how it works on its own, because I just can't wear it on its own. Let me do a little swatch. And I haven't used it as a concealer. Under my eyes is generally where I wear concealer or over blemishes because it is too dark for my skin. I think it oxidizes just a little bit, but yeah, it's a little too dark, definitely for under eyes. But I was definitely happy to try it. I've mostly been using this like when I film. I'll like mix it with a lighter, like fuller coverage foundation, because this is pretty good coverage, like maybe like medium to full. What does it say it's supposed to be? I think it's supposed to be like a medium to buildable finish, and it definitely is, so I wear it that way because sometimes I feel like, I don't know if it's this or the foundation I'm mixing it with, that like after a few hours it just kind of looks cakey, but that's just kind of how it is with like more fuller coverage foundation. So yeah, I'll definitely keep using this, and I am interested in trying it in a correct shade, so maybe in the future I'll get a chance to get a sample, or I don't know. Did you hear that they're no longer giving samples at Sephora and Ulta because of the coronavirus? I just was reading that earlier this morning, which makes sense. And they're taking the testers away. I don't use those ever anyways, but I'll stop blabbering. So overall, I think February was a great month. The standout product definitely is a gloss, but I would say the one I use the most probably is the hand cream, just because of my purse and the gloss. Super excited about the foundation, but just a bummer it doesn't match me perfectly, but I mix foundations almost every day, so it's fine. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. Again, Ipsy will be linked down below. Hopefully this turned out alright with me inserting clips and stuff like that. I would love your feedback, by the way. I know you guys have been saying that you like when I do the try-ons and also the reviews. So I'm doing that too, but this is just a little different style. So if you could, I would love to hear your preference on the style, like if I insert clips or if I just try it on all after the unboxing. Please let me know. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!